so it is 7 o'clock, left at 10. You do the maths. That's how long it took me to get here. And it was a bloody struggle towards the end. There was all these freaking sand and rocks. The rocks were dangerous in the way that it would make me kind of lose control of the steering wheel and I could fall off the cliff. But the sand was the most dangerous because if I went slowly in the sand, I risked getting stuck in it. If I went fast, I risked losing control and falling. Almost fell like 3 times, and I almost got stuck like 2 times. So I just had the first meal of the day. It felt good to get some energy. I've heard that the stars are really nice around here, and that would be obvious because it's in the middle of nowhere. There's no light pollution. There's like 5 people that live in the town. And let's get some time lapses going. Night sky time lapse. Last night I was getting a pretty good time lapse of the stars, but to sadly cut it short because all these dogs were at the front. I had the camera placed at the front door and the door was open because, you know, didn't want anyone to steal my camera. And then all these dogs came and they started like barking and they're like right at my front door. So I had to go out there, grab the camera and come back in and end the time lapse, which really saddened me. But I was so tired that I slept through my alarm that I had set for later. I better get going because look at all the clouds behind me. It looks like it's gonna rain. And if it rains, I'm screwed out here. Alright, let's do this. On the way back to Le, and I am starving. I just had a bit of cornflakes for breakfast and some milk tea, as they love to call it here in English. Basically it means tea with milk in it. Anyway, so, oh shit, almost fell. Let's go find a place where I can have some milk tea. Oh man, is that that even meant to be crossable? Like, is it out of commission or can I cross it? There are no signs, so only one way to find out. Look at that. It's literally like balancing on some rock. What the hell? There's nothing supporting that bridge in the middle. I'm not gonna go on. Yeah, so I'm pretty pissed off right now because somehow the frigging last spare can of fuel that I had, which I really needed, oh look, it just somehow like jumped out of the friggin' thing. Even though this was like meant to be blocking it, this thing, but somehow it just jumped out. And now I have no spare fuel. I've only got like 2 liters left in the tank, and the petrol station isn't for like another 100 kilometers or 150 kilometers. This thing on a full tank of fuel does about 250 kilometers. Meaning I'm not going to make it. I made it.